Hello everyone, welcome to Go Swings. So in my last video I discussed my October month profit and loss. So I made profit around 30,000. You can check my last video. And the my trading style is doing momentum trading. Okay, today I will discuss how I do momentum tradings briefly. Okay, so that you guys can get some idea. So last time I actually gave you the idea of how my accuracy and risk to reward. So my accuracy in trading was around 36%. Okay, my reward is usually three times the risk. Okay, so today we'll discuss three stocks where I made profit, and we'll discuss three stocks where I made loss, and I will discuss why I took the trade so that you guys can have a clear idea. Okay, so now before moving forward, let me just briefly discuss how I take a trade. Okay, so I screen for stocks which has moved up for a significant amount of time. That can be 1 month, 2 month, 3 months, even 6 months, and it also depends on the move. How much percentage did it move. It can, but it should be around minimum 50%. It should move minimum. Okay, whatever the time frame is, whether it is 1 month, 2 month, 3 month, 4 month, it doesn't matter, but it should minimum move 50%. Okay, so let us take the example of IRCTC. So IRCTC moved from July 21 to October. So it was in up move. Okay, then I bought around here I bought. Okay, and I sold around here. Let me clearly say I follow Mark Minervini's trading plan. So I will discuss Mark Minervini's trading plan in my upcoming videos and his VCP pattern also, so that you guys can have more clear knowledge on that. Okay, I will discuss this IRCTC trade, HAL trade, and this Cosmo Phillips trade. In these three trades I made profit. Okay, and I'll as losing trades I'll discuss this Goldium, Gabriel, and Gravita. Okay, these three trades I will discuss. Okay, so stay tuned. So in my IRCTC trade, I bought around 15 quantities, but I didn't buy the 15 quantities at once. Okay, so and I made profit of around 15%. Okay, so let us check the trade book. IRCTC. Okay, so I bought 8 quantities on October 4th, then again 3 quantities at the end of the market on October 4th. Okay, then on 5th I bought another three quantities, and I sold 7 quantities on 6th October and 6 quantities on 8th October. Okay, so if we check the chart, on these two dates I bought my IRCTC shares. Okay, and then on 6th IRCTC moved by 7%. So by 6th I sold half of it. Then on 8th I sold half of the remaining portion basically. Okay, so if we check from here, end of October 5th, so if we check from end of October 4th, okay, to October 7th closing, so that is around 17%. Okay, and I made profit of 15%. Okay, so basically what I do is I initially buy some portion, then as the stock shows some strength, it shows some momentum, then I bought, I keep buying basically. Okay, I don't, if the stock comes down from my buying price, I don't buy. Okay, so remember this concept: losers average losers. Okay, losers are those guys, those traders who lose money. So basically losers buy when the stock goes down. Okay, so basically losers keeps averaging and hopes that the stock will go up, but I don't do that. So we should not be losers average losers. Okay, so we will only buy more if the stock is showing strength, if the stock is in momentum. Remember that. Okay, now the question is why I bought it. Okay, so I followed Mark Minervini's trading plan. and screened the stocks, and from there I got IRCTC. Okay, and if you see here, IRCTC gave breakout here also. Okay, and during this period, okay, IRCTC volume was going down. Okay, so this was basically kind of a VCP, I mean, which was also introduced by Mark Minervini, volatility contraction pattern. So we'll discuss about VCP in my next video. Okay, now I am just giving you glimpse of my trades. Okay, now coming to my second trade, HAL. Okay, HAL. So let us go to the trade book. So HAL I bought on 6 October. 6 October I bought, I think then on 12 October I bought. Okay. Basically on 6 October I took a trade and I sold on 6th October only, because I think it was showing some negative sign. So I bought, then I bought again on 12th October and made profit. Okay, on 12th October I bought around 35 quantity, and by 18th and 19th I sold all my quantities. Okay, so 12th October, where is 12th October? Yeah, 12th October. So 12th October is this candle. Okay, so I bought HAL here and I sold major quantities on 18th and 19th. Okay, so this is the 18th candle and this is the 19th candle. Okay, so on 12th October, basically if you guys see, within 1 2 3 days we got around 10% return, but this 18th October candle eventually, I mean, it came down, market came down, a HAL stock came down, and after that it was in selling mode. Okay, so the beauty of this VCP or Mark Minervini's trading plan is within few days you will get huge return. Okay, and sometimes if the market is in market, or if the overall market is doing good or doing great, then the stocks will also do great. Otherwise you have to take small profits, I mean small profits in the sense 10%, 12%, like that. If the if the overall index is doing great, then you can hold the stock, I mean you can sell half of it and hold the stock, and you will get around 30%, 40% return within 3 weeks. Sometimes you can get the return within 1 week also. It depends actually. Okay, yeah, so if you guys see, from 30th April 21, it had a up move of around 50%. Okay, it had a up move of around 50% here. Then it went sideways from here. So if we take the volume, if you see the volume here, the volume was decreasing. Okay, the volatility was basically decreasing. Okay, so volatility was contracting and finally it went up from here. Okay, so same thing, Mark Minervini's trading plan, the VCP criteria we followed. Okay, I will discuss VCP criteria in more detail in my next videos. Okay, now coming back to Cosmo Films. Okay, Cosmo Films I made profit of around 6,000. So Cosmo Films, okay, so Cosmo Films, I bought Cosmo Films majorly on 6th and 7th October and sold it around 18th October. Okay, so Cosmo Film, if you see, Cosmo Film was up. So 6th October, 6th October is here. Okay, here is 6th October, and Cosmofilm was up more than 300%, okay, from February 21 till 6th October, okay, that is huge. So after that Cosmofilms gave this opportunity. So here Cosmofilm went sideways, okay, and if you see check the volume in this period also, after this move the volume was continuously going down, okay. And October 6 I bought. October 6 is here, I bought here, and within 2-3 days the stock went up. Now within 1 2 3 4 5 6 days the stock went up around 10%, okay. This is what happens in volatility contraction pattern, okay. The stock will go up 10% 15% within 1 week, okay. And if the overall market is in momentum, then you can sell half of it and keep the half of other half, and the stock might go up to 40% 50%, okay. So like in the case of IRCTC, I sold IRCTC around here. After that IRCTC moved 30% within 2-3 days, okay. Now let us discuss 3 trades where I lost money. So Gabriel, Goldium and Gravita, okay. So let us start with Gabriel. Yeah, so Gabriel, you can see the Gabriel trade book here. So it is quite complicated. Let me show you guys in the chart, okay. And I think I took two attempts here, and both didn't work, okay. So as you guys can see, Gabriel went up 50% from May 21 to August 24, okay. So if you see here, Gabriel, I first bought it around 27th September, then again I bought it on 27th October, okay. So let us discuss the 27th October. Okay, so here is 27th September, okay. Here is 27th September and 27th October is here. Yeah, this kind. Okay, so 27th September I bought it here, because if you guys see the volume after this up move, the volume was contracting, okay. And you can see that market, Gabriel went up 10% within few days, okay. But after buying on 27th, I sold I think on 28th. Yeah, I bought on 27th and I sold on 6th October. Okay, so I made some profit. Yeah, you can. Yeah, I made some profit and sold. Eventually when I bought on 27th October, there I made losses. You guys can see I bought on buying price was 162 and I had to sell in 153, and whereas here my buying price was 148 149 and my selling price was 157 150. Selling price was 151 153. Yeah, so here also VCP worked basically, that from here the stock went up 10% within 3-4 days. As I said you guys earlier, that if you follow VCP, the stock will give high chance the stock will move 10% 12% within 3-4 days, okay. And you can capitalize on that, okay. And also as the stock moves, you can add more amount. So now let us discuss Goldium and Gravita. Goldium. Okay, so Goldium I bought on 22nd October, okay, and by 25th October I sold, and on on 25th October I bought some, and on 25th, okay, so on, oh, that, I think that was a trading mistake, this portion, but I bought on 22nd October and sold on 25th October. Yeah, so you guys can see that Goldium was up, yeah, more than 150%. Okay, and after this up move the stock went sideways. Here the stock was sideways. Okay, I bought on 22nd. Okay, check the volume. So 22nd October is here, this candle I bought. Yeah, 22nd I bought, then I sold on 25th. Yeah, the next candle was 25th. I sold on 25th, and after that you guys can see that stock went up 15% within 2 days. So why I sold? Because I don't remember now, but I thought that stock might crash. Yeah, I thought the stock might crash, but you guys can see that again the VCP is working. I missed the movement. Okay, 15% within 2 days, that is huge. And the volume was going down, so everything was fine. I could have made money if I had put more, if I was more patient. Okay, sometimes you lose the opportunity. Okay, so now let us discuss Goldium, Gravita. Yeah, let us discuss Gravita. So Gravita, I mean, you guys can see that Gravita made an up move of more than around 150%. Okay, and then it went sideways. I bought Gravita first on 6th October, then sold all the quantities on, I think, 12th. Then I bought on 21st and then sold on 22nd. Okay, so I took 2 attempts in Gravita. So 6, and you guys can 6th October. Okay, here this candle, this red candle I bought. Okay, then you guys can see the stock went up around for 15%, and the volume was decreasing. Okay, so volume was decreasing. So again the same thing is happening. I mean, in all the trades you guys can see that the stock went up, but I made some mistake, so I got out of the trade. But basically the pattern works, the Mark Minervini's trading plan works. So I'll discuss Mark Minervini's trading plan in more detail in my next video. I'll discuss what is VCP or volatility contraction pattern is. Okay, so you guys can have much better idea. And I think momentum trading is great. You guys can make huge money through momentum trading. So I'll finish this video here. Please subscribe so that I can reach to more people and more people can learn about momentum trading. Thank you.